Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your license plate. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your license plate in case you want to clean it, restore it, or possibly customize it, making it a yellow reg or a black reg. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the front or back of your car, wherever you have your license plate, and you're going to go up to your license plate and you're going to see these two little white caps. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take off those caps, and that's going to expose the screw, which you then obviously unscrew and take off your license plate. So you can see the white caps on the left and right side of the license plate. Here you can see me taking it off, and that reveals the metal screw. Obviously you see the white caps, then you take it off. That's what it's going to look like with the two screws. Here we have the white cap, just me showing it off. It's literally just a small bit of plastic. I'm going to show you guys how to put it on and take it off, just in case you guys don't know. So it literally clips into place, press it in, and then you take it off with a screwdriver or just something. Now I use a metal screwdriver, however metal will damage plastic, so be careful. What you do is you go under the white cap and you just pry it off. Very easy. So here you see me unscrewing the license plate. And here is a car with the license plate taken off. Now obviously it looks disgusting, so I cleaned it up, and this is what it looks like cleaned. So guys, this tutorial is very easy, but let me just recap. So you're going to go up to your license plate, you're going to take off the plastic caps, you're going to unscrew the two screws, and then you're going to literally just take off the license plate. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. Part 2 of this video will be me showing you guys how to restore your license plate or how to customize it.